Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Sonic 3 Air on your iPhone. Now I don't have an Android here, so you type in the same website in the PC video that we did last time, and then you gotta flip my phone. Here's the page, and then don't use the Windows. This is only for Windows. You go for iOS/web, and then current beta version. Now that's the current version. There's no older version of this one. So it has instructions, but if you are looking for a video, here it is. So you go press here, and then if you see add to home screen, and then boom, Sonic 3 Air, and then you press add. And then once you have it, then you go save it somewhere like examples, games, and then you place it on the order, or you can just put it randomly. Then I'm gonna place it on order. And you have to search up for a ROM for Sonic 3. So you go here, and then oh my god, I almost forgot. And then GN Knuckles ROM. You go here. You can actually play the ROM, but I don't think it supports the. Yeah, here's the ROM. Anyways, you have this right here. And then you go to Sonic 3 Air. And then it'll ask you to locate where the ROM is. And then you press, and there you go. Here's Sonic 3 Air. Now, if you want to go to install mods, you can go to the manual on the web browser. So let's play a bit. So this is the definitive way to play Sonic 3 on your phone. I got it down. Bro, why am I up here? I really need to go down. Yeah, but I usually play Sonic 3 on my Switch. I played Sonic Origins Plus, but if you still want to play on mobile, then I guess you have to use Sonic 3 Air. Let's complete an act this time, instead of just exiting the game when we're at that part. Wow, I actually collected. go to the bonus stages. Oh, this one. Oh, this is a really good one. Especially if you want to get 1-ups, then you can. Play this one. Oh. Yeah, I'm in special stage 2. I think I cannot go back to special stage 1. This is a really simple level. There we go. What's achievement? There we got the perfect bonus, which will grant us an extra life, and we have a continue. Yeah, I think we stop here. Oh, yeah, that's a mistake. Alright. Now we have 100 rings. And we are completely old. Dang it. Yeah. Yeah, we got through Act 1. Alright, I think that's it.